Welcome to OAT152 Excel. This course will teach you the foundations of the Microsoft Excel program, and this video will introduce you to the course. So when you enter the course, you'll first see the welcome message. If you scroll down, make sure you scroll down and read it and watch these two videos. The first video is going to tell you how to navigate Brightspace, which is our learning management software, and the second video is going to introduce you to the course. And then how the course will begin is within this welcome message. Also make sure you read class engagement expectation if you are taking an online section of this course. Everything you'll need in this course is under the content menu. So click on the content menu and you'll see several modules on your left hand side. So if you click, where you need to start is on the click here or on the start here. So watch these videos and then click on start here, and you'll want to read the information on the left. Click on tentative course calendar, and I would highly suggest that you print this out and take a look at it each day to make sure that you meet all the required due dates. Late work in this class will not be accepted. The syllabus is also here, which will give you an idea of what you'll be learning in the course. So you'll see your measurable performance objectives here. If you go down further, you'll see how your final grades will be calculated. You'll learn how a weighted grade actually works. So where your project exams are worth 25%, if for some reason you can't get all your work done this week, then you will want to get the project exams done because they are worth the most points. We'll be using a software called Cirrus, and if you click on Cirrus, you need to check and make sure that your computer meets the system requirements. And this will tell you how to actually activate the code. If you have not yet purchased a Cirrus activation code, or it has not been delivered to you yet, you can use this 17-day temporary access code. And after 17 days, you will not be able to access it anymore. So make sure that you get that done. Okay. If you go down furthermore, you'll see Welcome to Excel, and that is the discussion board that you must complete the first week. So make sure you add a photo of yourself and answer these questions. And then when you start to, the required course materials are listed here. You'll need headphones or earbuds because this software has sound, and you'll use this Cirrus for Benchmark Excel 365/2019 Levels 1 and 2 book, and it's an ebook, so the ebook is available on the computer, but you'll need the access code also. You can install Microsoft Office 365. It comes free from the college, but you do not have to. You'll see my instructor information, which includes days and times in which we can meet, or we can meet online if you would like. We can Zoom. Under assignments, you'll notice that there's two levels of assignments in here, assignments level 1 and level 2. You'll complete both for this semester. So if you click on that, the first thing you see is the ebook. I highly suggest using the ebook, especially for the concepts exams. Concept exams are true, false, multiple choice type exams, and if you click on that, you don't have to read page for page. You might want to read page for page for the areas that you have difficulty or don't understand what it's trying to communicate to you. But on the concept exams, I would just have this on the screen. Click here, go to search, and look for whatever topic you are looking for. So maybe I'm looking for a relative formula. Whoops. Hit search. Okay. Maybe just relative. and it gives me all the information for relative formulas, and then I can just click on it and it'll take me to that section in the book. So that is the easiest way to use this book, and I especially think it's important when you complete those concept exams. Okay, you have the quick step library, which you can unzip and open, but it's just going to show you quick ways to do steps. And then you go to chapter 1 and watch the videos explaining how to use the software, and then go to the first item. The watch and learns are optional. The rest of the work is not. So click on Guide and Practice, open the link, and complete the assignments. So you go to your first tutorial and do what it tells you to do. The watch and learns will tell you how to do this, but they're not required because for a lot of skills you may already know how to do it. For example, a lot of people already know how to open Excel from the Windows desktop. If you don't, then you need to be reading or watching the videos, the watch and learn videos. Okay, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or contact your instructor, and expect that it'll take 24 to 48 business hours for a response. It may be sooner, but always expect that it could take up to 48 hours, business hours, and a business hour simply means hours Delaware Tech is open, Monday through Friday, okay, and not including holidays. All right, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Have a great semester.